Nestled in tranquility, the Someshware Temple rests, embraced by nature. Here, time stands still, safeguarding a legacy of devotion and serenity. Beneath the gentle gaze of the Someshwara Temple, the ancient stone steps descend into the sacred pond, a testament to the beautiful craftsmanship that has weathered the passage of time. Each step, carved by skilled artisans long ago, tells a story of devotion and artistry, inviting the faithful to pause and reflect. In this time-honored stone-stepped temple pond, the aquatic beings of the pond, fishes and tortoises, enjoy their life peacefully, embodying the tranquility that envelops this sacred space. Dominating the courtyard, the stamba stands as a silent sentinel in front of the temple, its carvings a narrative in stone, echoing the spiritual journey of those who walk these grounds, guiding devotees towards enlightenment. By nature's embrace, the Someshwara Temple and its environs remain a secluded haven, where history, spirituality, and natural beauty converge. Here in this secluded sanctuary, every stone, every being, and every ray of light speaks of a peace and devotion that transcends time, inviting all who visit to partake in its eternal calm. Faced with the challenge of preserving the Someshware Temple against weather and time, multiple waterproofing solutions were evaluated by our client. The APP membrane system stood out for its effectiveness and was chosen for the task, aligning with the need to protect the temple's venerable structure. With the waterproofing method selected, our focus shifted to the roof, where the existing cement mortar screed was thoroughly examined. Our team embarked on a detailed survey to ensure no flaw was overlooked. Identifying and treating any imperfections in the screed was our next step. Cracks and joints received careful attention, filled with a modified cement mortar designed for durability and compatibility with the existing structure. The curing phase followed, a crucial period allowing the treatment to harden and integrate fully, ensuring the roof was primed for the final waterproofing layer. The preparation for waterproofing begins with the utmost care. As the surface undergoes a final cleaning, every particle of dust and debris is removed, setting the stage for a flawless application. With the surface prepared, the application of the primer marks a pivotal step. This specially formulated primer ensures a strong bond between the roof and the waterproofing membrane. Applied meticulously, it seeps into every pore, creating a cohesive layer that will anchor the APP membrane. As the primer dries, it transforms the roof into a receptive canvas for the waterproofing layer. This stage is critical, not just for adhesion, but for sealing any microscopic gaps, enhancing the overall integrity of the waterproofing system. As the waterproofing works are carried out on the temple roof, footwear or safety shoes were not used during execution to respect the sanctity of the site. However, we strongly advocate the use of all necessary personal protective equipment, PPE, in civil works to ensure safety. The application of the APP membrane begins with precision. Rolls of the membrane are carefully opened and sized to fit the contours of the temple's roof. Aligning each piece with exactitude, the team then re-rolls the material, preparing for the crucial step of torch application. The flame's heat bonds the membrane to the primer-coated surface, ensuring a watertight seal. This meticulous process is not just about application, but ensuring longevity and durability against the elements. Continuing the application, the team focuses on consistency and coverage. Each section of the membrane is aligned, measured, and trimmed, ensuring seamless overlaps and edges. As the torch glides across the surface, it activates the adhesive, melding the membrane securely to the roof. This careful orchestration of steps, unrolling, aligning, torching, ensures that every inch of the temple's roof is protected, layer by layer, against water infiltration. The dedication to detail during this phase is a testament to the commitment to preserving the temple's integrity for years to come. With the APP membrane now securely bonded to the temple's roof, we witness a transformation. The surface, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship, stands ready for the final enhancement. Aluminium mixed solar reflective paint is poised to crown the waterproofing efforts. This innovative layer is not merely a finish but a shield, designed to reflect the sun's rays, reducing heat absorption and significantly extending the life of the waterproofing membrane. With proper periodic maintenance and care, this robust system promises to protect the temple from the elements for a very long time. As the reflective paint is applied, the roof takes on a new character. The aluminium's gleam under the sun is not just visually striking, it's a critical component in the waterproofing's longevity, minimizing thermal degradation and enhancing energy efficiency. This final layer seals the commitment to preserving the sanctity against time and nature. As we observe the completed waterproofing, know that each step taken, from membrane application to reflective coating, is a pledge of durability and care.